What's up, Vetters? Patrick here with Vetted. Another silver sphere is flying around Colombia, and I have the video for you. In fact, the viral video that's going around is kind of watermarked. I found the original video, so stay with me. You're not going to see this anywhere else. Please, Vetters, hit that like button. That really helps out the videos. And, of course, if you're not already subscribed, hit that subscribe button. I put out new videos about the UFO phenomena every week, and I'm trying to get to 100,000 subscribers before the end of the year. Let's make it happen, folks. All right, Vetters, let's jump in. So let's take a look at some of the details first. We're saying it's a metallic UAP filmed over Yumbo, Colombia, on June 10th, 2025, approximately 3:15 local time. It's a rural area near Yumbo, Colombia. Witnesses was a local farmer. The weather, clear skies, light wispy cloud, minimal wind, approximately 25 degrees Celsius. Duration of sighting, about 3 minutes. Sound, completely silent. Movement, spotted flying around for 3 minutes around cornfields. Shape, color, perfectly spherical, metallic, reflective surface. And I want to give a shout out to Flat Ad 1534, who is a top 1% poster on the UFOs subreddit, who threw out that summary. I think it's time we watch the original video that's going viral, and then I will show the actual original video, right, that it came from, the source video, if you will. So first, let's take a look at the video that was shared in a television program with Jaime Maussan.
Uf. Uy. Bueno, vamos a ver estas imágenes nuevamente. Qué calidad de imágenes, ¿verdad? Yo creo que es uno de los videos mejor grabados. Vea usted. Veamos ahí. Mire, claramente desde el inicio se ve el cinturón que rodea la esfera. La parte superior refleja el cielo. La parte inferior vemos que refleja el terreno. Nuevamente vemos, ¿escuchó? Parece que roza la punta de las cañas. Y ahí también hay cables muy cercanos. Hubiera estado bueno que nos tocara otra vez, ¿no? Para tener otra esfera de buga y que entonces que se caiga el mundo, señoras y señores. Vean ustedes qué imágenes, qué claridad. Uf. A mí no me queda duda. Bueno, claro, le vamos a hacer análisis, le vamos a confirmar que eso. Yo no tengo dudas, pero todos nos podemos equivocar. Así es que vamos a hacer todos los análisis, todo lo necesario para que pues todos estemos seguros y se puedan confirmar estas imágenes como una de las mejores de todos los tiempos. En verdad. Miren nada más, qué calidad, qué cercanía. La persona que lo grabó, mis respetos, ¿no? Un ingeniero, vea usted qué hace la esfera. Baja y luego sube súbitamente. Ahí termina el video. Yo no sé si lo siguieron grabando y hay otros videos por ahí. Pues trataremos de obtenerlos porque caray,
All right, so stay with me. And look, that video is just not very good. Watermarks, the quality's low, right? I have a much better high quality version of this, uninterrupted, no watermark, although it's only a minute and a half long. All right, so I found it on this YouTube channel thanks to a Reddit user named Dueling Grox, and there's no description, as you could see. So let's just roll the clip. Enough of me blabbing. All right. Now stay with me, because after this, I have a stabilized version of this video. Take a look.
Uf. Uy.
Now, again, I want to give a special shout out to Dueling Grox here, who also uploaded a stabilized version of this, which is where I found the what I think is the original source video. All right, take a look.
Uf. Uy.
So look, I don't know what to think here. All of a sudden, these silver spears are popping up everywhere. I'm a little suspicious of, if I'm being honest. Honestly, I'm a lot suspicious. This being real. But you know what? You think for yourself. That's why I wanted to show it, because it's going viral. People are looking at it. You should be able to decide for yourself. I don't want to keep that back from you. My opinion is my opinion. But I'll put links in the description. Go watch it more, figure it out, whatever you think. All right? So, hope you enjoyed today's video. We'll see you on the next one, Vetters. Remember, every day's a gift, y'all. Peace.